Hi, I'm Simon from the Ferret, and this has to be one of the coolest things I've already reviewed on this channel. So this is the Sound Asleep, the original speaker pillow. Listen in comfort, no need for headphones. So this is a speaker built into a pillow. Connect to your iPod, who even uses iPod, MP3, who even uses MP3, CD, who even uses CD, radio, who even uses radio, or other music source. Cozy hollow fiber filling for extra comfort and support, more comfortable than headphones. Listen to your personal sound so only you can hear. Removable wires means it's tighter and safer when not in use. Pretty excited to check this out actually. Oh wow, so it's really just a pillow in a box. Alrighty. Oh yeah, that's so neat. So this really looks like a pillow you would have when you're going on a trip and you're going to the hotel. This is like a regular hotel pillow, I think. Oh, it's pretty soft. Oh, is it really soft? Oh yeah, it's pretty soft actually. It's a bit softer than my pillow. So there's a cable running through here, but where are... Oh, there's a speaker over here, I think. Yeah. And that's it. I don't know. So you have the cable over here, which you can unplug, as you can see. So I plug this back in, and then you can plug this cable anywhere where you have an audio jack input, so not an iPhone 10. Wow! Wow, that's so weird! So you can't hear anything right now, probably? Maybe a little bit? Wow! This is... What is so cool? So there's a speaker, I have to say it's very silent, but I think if you're someone who loves going to bed with your earbuds in because you want to hear some music and you don't lay on your head like this, for example, because you won't really hear it if you do. Yeah, you will hear it a little bit, but if you lay on your pillow like this, you can just hear the music inside the pillow, which is pretty neat in my opinion. This is the loudest volume, which is pretty loud. Ooh, that's a bit too loud if you just want to be in bed. This is very nice. You have a lot of different things you can do with this. You can use it for an alarm as well. If you have an alarm on your phone, for example, you just connect this and then your alarm goes off while you're sleeping and you will hear it in your pillow, which is mind-blowing. Oh, this is so neat. This is such a cool idea. And you don't feel the speaker whatsoever. It's very well tucked away on the bottom, so you don't feel it. And as you can see, the pillow is pretty satisfying. It's very nice. Yeah, I would definitely like this when I go to bed. I'm probably going to use this at night for when I go to bed. And I'm not a person who listens to music when he goes to bed. I want to have a very silent room. But if you're someone who listens to music when he goes to bed, well, this is a must-have. This is something you really should buy, because this is pretty amazing in my opinion. Wow, I wasn't expecting to be impressed by a pillow today, but hey, when life gives you lemons, you make lemon juice. I don't know if that connect. Overall sound quality, I have to lay on the pillow to hear it. Pretty flat, and but there's a bit of bass actually. I wasn't expecting to have any bass, but there's a bit of bass on this thing. But overall, you don't need a very punchy sound because you're sleeping when you're on the pillow probably. But just for some mood music, this is just cool. Imagine laying in your bed and like, ooh, I want to have some chill, for example. Just put on some music and you lay in your bed like this, and yeah. Alright, that was the pillow with the speaker inside, and I think it's pretty neat, so really check it out if you want to have music when you go to bed or when you're sleeping. This is a must-have. If you have any questions regarding this pillow, let them know in the comment section down below and I'll be very glad to answer them. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why so we can improve our videos. And I hope I'll see you, yes, you who's watching this behind your phone screen or behind your computer screen in our next video. Bye bye.